Hi guys, our today's video about best 5 smart wallets that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentions in this video, you may check the link in description box below. And now let's continue. Stat rooting at number 5, Travando Smart Wallets. The Travando is one of the most popular wallets on Amazon. Travando wallets are made from carefully selected, quality-tested materials that are assembled with the utmost precision for long-lasting durability. This elegant slim wallet is designed to fit perfectly in any trouser pocket without bulging. The clever layout of card slots and money clips. The wallet has enough space for all that anyone needs, yet is slim and won't bulge a trouser pocket. The wallet comes in luxurious gift packaging. It's a perfect present. The box can even be repurposed as an elegant storage container for jewelry or other small treasures. At number 4, Buffaway Wallet. The Buffaway wallet is as simple as it gets. The idea behind the Buffaway was to create a wallet that was as cheap as possible. It's outfitted with advanced RDIF blocking technology. These slim wallets for men and women block electronic signals to keep your identity protected while you travel, shop or explore. Its 8 slots easily load your driver's license, credit cards, debit cards, and membership cards, making your work and travel more convenient. It's the minimalist wallet that fits perfectly in your pocket, purse, or travel pack. It is sleek design and smooth leather construction. These RFID sleeves are popular slim wallets for women and men. At number 3, Pitaka MagEZ Wallet. The Pitaka MagEZ wallet brought carbon fiber and magnets together in a modular form for ultimate flexibility. Its slim and lightweight magnetic wallet has space for 6 cards. It contains 3 card layers which could hold 2 cards each and 2 cover layer which could hold 1 card each. It's protect your valuable card data against RFID skimming. The first modular wallet to be made from carbon fiber. The MagEZ wallet is slim and extremely durable. There is no need to worry about the daily wear and tear as with most leather wallets. At number 2, the Urban Slim Wallet holds up to 6 credit cards and some cash. It has RFID protection and a slim pocket for the tile. It has card barriers to keep cards in place, a thumb hole to access the cards, and ridges to make it slide into pockets easier. It's made of a patented Tech Tough leather that's 10x stronger than traditional leather and comes with a 2-year warranty. Let's look quick features of this item. Durable Tech Tough leather. Holds up to 6 cards. Carefully crafted wallets. Superior function. At number 1, the Ekster Parliament Wallet. The Ekster Parliament Wallet used to be a windshield, instant card access at the click of a button. Stores 10 plus cards in total, and the built-in aluminum card holder stores 4 to 6, depending on the number of embossed cards. Handcrafted from premium top-grain leather, tanned under gold-rated LWG certified protocols, and 6063 T5 aluminum, anodized in space gray. The integrated RFID blocking technology safeguards your cards from skimmers, keeping you protected against the growing risk of electronic pickpockets. This smart wallet is on our list of the best smart wallets because it deserves to be there in every way. However, you need to purchase the correct one as indicated by your necessities. If you think this video is helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming videos. If you have any more suspicions or inquiries, get in touch with us in our comments section. Our specialists will reply to you immediately. Thank you for watching this video.